Hello friends, good afternoon and namaskar. Welcome back to Village Boys English. Today I want to share how I practice English every day. Many people ask, how do you improve your English? Friends, I am still learning and I am not a fluent speaker, but I practice English every day. I am following 3 steps for learning English, and let me share these 3 steps or 3 types of procedures in my English learning journey. My routine is very simple, friends. Let's learn about the 3 simple steps or 3 types of simple habits. Habit number 1, listen. I listen to English every day. I watch simple English videos and listen carefully. Actually, I don't try to understand each and every word of that particular video. I just keep listening. But by doing so, slowly my listening becomes better. Habit number 2, reading. I read English every day. Sometimes I read short stories. Sometimes I read simple articles. And sometimes I read news from Google. Yes, I read short stories, simple articles and news also. And my friends, do you know, reading helps me learn new words and sentence patterns. Sentence pattern. Habit number 3 is writing. I write in English every day. I don't write complicated and fancy types of words or sentences. Rather, I always try to write in simple sentence. Writing helps me remember new words, and one important thing is that it also helps me to think in English. Yes, I mean my thinking power in English is improving day by day. Friends, this is my routine. This is my English learning routine. It is very simple. Just listen, write and read. Yes, listening, reading and writing. But it helps me improve little by little. And remember one most important thing. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect English. You only need one thing, that is daily practice. Yes, daily practice. And as I already said in my previous video, English is not a talent, it is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. So friends, now let's learn 3 simple English sentences from this same video. I write English every day. I read every day. I listen every day. Today we talked about listening, reading and writing. Today we talked about listening, reading and writing. In another video I will share how I practice speaking English. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye. All the best.